Why do most of the women gets white discharge?
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Komal and today we will talk about white discharge in women per vagina. So this is a very common complaint which we come across in our OPDs. So there are different causes for vaginal discharge. It can be physiological, that is where the cause is not infective, which can happen at the onset of menses, or it can happen in the mid-cycle at the time of ovulation. These are mainly hormonal related, but sometimes it can be excessive if the woman's general health is poor. So this we call as leukorrhea, and these are not infective causes, and the nature of the discharge is not is colorless or watery, mucoid, and it is not foul smelling or not itching. But certain women can present with abnormal type of discharges, which can be in different colors. Like it can be pearly white discharge, thick, which are usually due to fungal infections, that is candidiasis. Sometimes it can be, and candidiasis can present in all age groups, like in young girls who are not sexually active. It can present in reproductive age group who are sexually active. It can present even in postmenopausal age where there is estrogen deficiency. So candidiasis is one of the very common vaginal infections. The second cause is bacterial vaginosis. This is usually seen in girls who are not sexually active, young girls, and they have a typical fishy odor and greyish colored discharge. Then other causes can be bacterial infections like gonococcal infection, which can present with purulent discharge, and then there is Trichomonas vaginalis, which also can cause infection. Here the nature of discharge is brawny, and it is whitish and associated with intermenstrual spotting, so and postcoital spotting, because the cervix is usually called the cervicitis, and there is a typical strawberry appearance of the cervix, so that is Trichomonas vaginalis. So these are the different reasons why there are, these are the commonest reasons with vaginal discharge, and we have to identify them based on the history and examination findings and treatment.